interest rates have gone down. They will continue to be reduced. Inflation has gone down, so that should support real disposable income, should support investment. So we are waiting for a gradual recovery in domestic demand, but that has not yet happened. And so indeed, the near-term outlook is pretty dismal, and recent leading indicators have been pretty weak. So indeed, I think there is now a strong desire to connect with the rest of the world before any initiative by the new U.S. administration. We have seen the first move with Mercosur a few days ago. The EU is trying to open up and trying to make trade links with South America, Latin America. I think that's a first step. Indeed, the EU would be very much willing to reconnect with the UK in a way that actually makes sure that the EU and at least the trade relationship with the rest of the world remain open in the future.
Right. Well, when it comes to Mercosur, we see an attempt from the European Commission, but there are still some countries, including France, that are not so keen on that. But I just would like to get your thoughts also on the fiscal position going forward. And you think about the outlook here. We know the ECB is meant to cut rates later this week. But what is the fiscal position for the Eurozone going forward, particularly when I hear the finance minister saying that they actually would like to learn from the UK in terms of their latest budget?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, yesterday we got the Eurogroup meeting, and the leaders and European finance ministers actually discussed the situation, the fiscal situation, and the overall fiscal trust in the Eurozone, and certainly that was a first discussion that was pretty useful. Indeed, what it looks like the situation right now is a gradual, moderate tightening in fiscal policy, which is desirable, and it is actually in line with the new governance framework in Europe. At the same time, the ECB is easing policy. So you will have a mix of moderate tightening in fiscal policy. At the same time, there will be an easing in terms of monetary policy. Of course, you have special situations like in Germany. Germany is a country with low debt and probably the potential to stimulate the economy via also fiscal policy. And so I think by basically changing the domestic fiscal rules and easing a bit the fiscal situation, Germany might actually achieve the possibility of addressing the fiscal challenges and the economic challenges that are very much specific to Germany right now.